Hey there, Christian from RackNerd. Today we are diving into a super useful tool for server management, Uptime. If you're looking to level up your server monitoring game, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, a quick reminder, this tutorial does assume that you have a VPS with Ubuntu server installed. If you haven't sorted that out yet, head over to racknerd.com for some top-notch hosting solutions. We've got a bunch of helpful guides on our YouTube channel, including a recent one on how to order a VPS with RackNerd. Check that out if you need a hand getting started. Now, let's dive in. Now let's talk about Uptime. Have you ever had that moment of panic when you realize you have no idea how long your server has been running or when it was last rebooted? We've all been there. That's where Uptime comes in clutch. So what exactly is Uptime? It is a powerful utility that gives you detailed insights into your server's uptime, downtime, and overall performance. Think of it as your server's personal historian, keeping track of all the important events in its life. Now, why should you care about Uptime, especially if you're hosting websites? Well, let me break it down for you. First, detailed uptime analysis. Uptime goes way beyond the basic uptime command. It allows you system startups, shutdowns, and even calculates the average uptime and downtime. Number 2, performance tracking. By monitoring these stats, you can spot patterns and potential issues before they ever become real problems. 3, reliability metrics. For website hosting, uptime is king. Uptime helps you quantify your server's reliability, which is crucial for maintaining a professional service. Number 4, maintenance planning. Knowing your server's behavior helps you schedule maintenance during optimal times, minimizing disruption to your hosted sites. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of installing Uptime on Ubuntu. Let me share my screen here and let's get started with that tutorial. First things first, let's open up our terminal and connect to our VPS, then update our package list by running this command. Next, let's install Uptime using apt or apt. Alternatively, if you want the latest version, you can install from the Git repo, which I will provide in the description down below this video. Now, once installed, you can start using Uptime right away. Just type Uptime in your terminal and you will get an absolute wealth of information about your server's life. You'll see things like number of system startups, successful and failed shutdowns, total system life, uptime and downtime, percentages, average uptime and downtime, current uptime. This info is gold for keeping your hosting game strong. You'll know exactly how reliable your server is, and you can make informed decisions about maintenance and upgrades. Remember, effective monitoring is way better than last-minute panic rebooting. With Uptime in your toolkit, you're setting yourself up for smoother sailing in your hosting journey. And if today's tutorial on installing and using Uptime was useful to you, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. And don't forget to check out racknerd.com for all your hosting needs. We've got the infrastructure and the know-how to keep your websites running smoothly. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below this video. We've got plenty more content coming your way. Until next time, keep those servers humming.